nothing too big in a Yardie Belly's kitchen today, yeah. Just have cook some meatless dish. Me I continue with the meatless dish, you understand? And so, hey, me have some red herring, some butter bean. I'm gonna put some shrimp in it for good measure, you understand me I say? I just have that a stew down in my version of a Cajun sauce. You understand, with some red bell pepper, some garlic and some chipotle seasoning and yeah, you see, some scallions and some onions and things. I'm just a stew down the bean them nice and proper, you understand? And hey, I'm supposed to lock off the stove right now. So yeah, just add some bell pepper and to finish it up, just put in some of them nice sweet grape tomatoes here, you see? As the thing set. Hey, this, I'm gonna serve up this with some dumpling and some banana and yeah. Yardie Belly's kitchen, yeah. Check it out by Yardie Belly's TV, you know. Yardie Belly TV on YouTube, yeah. Remember me tell you. So the thing set, you know, look on it, man. No, the food look, how it look? It looks stupendous. It look very intelligent, or it look very monogamous. I don't know. Those are my words, folks. You know me, I go ahead and bring my own word into the picture. You see? Yardie Belly TV. Yardie Belly TV. Yes, Yardie Belly TV. Look on the food. I don't talk. It is so beautiful. Yes, beautiful.